नमस्कार स्टूडेंट्स, PRPT चैप्टर 5 पेट्रोकेमिकल्स, last topic C3 compounds. Two compounds are there in C3: propylene oxide and polypropylene. Now propylene oxide, the formula of propylene oxide is CH3CHOCH2. Okay. Molecular weight almost 58. Melting point -104 degree Celsius. Boiling point 33.9 degree Celsius. Density 0.831 at 20 degree Celsius. Soluble in water, alcohol and ether. Explosive limit lower 2.1%, upper 22%. Okay, and toxicity limit, toxicity 250 ppm. Melting point -104.4 degree Celsius. Boiling point 33.9, density 0.831. Okay, so flash point of it is -34. Uses of propylene oxide: it is used for the manufacturing of propylene glycol. It is used for the manufacturing of polypropylene glycol. It is used for the manufacturing of glycerin, and it is used for the manufacturing of isopropanolamine. Okay. Two methods are there for the production of propylene oxide. First one is chlorohydrin process. And second one is direct oxidation. Chlorohydrin process, the basic raw material is water, propylene, chlorine. Water, propylene, chlorine, steam, electricity and lime for neutralization. And the chemical reaction for this is CH3 I will write it here. CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HOCl. It gives chlorohydric CH3Cl. It gives CH3CHCl CH2OH. This chlorohydric 2CH3CHCl CH2OH react with CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. It gives propylene oxide CH3 CHOCH2 and CaCl2 and water are released. CaCl2 and water. So this is hypochlorous. Okay, sorry, chlorohydric. Okay, now let's discuss about the flow diagram. Propylene, chlorine and water are fed into the bottom of the packed tower, which is shown in flow diagram. The formation of hypochlorous react with propylene to produce chlorhydrin. The reaction is highly exothermic. So the reaction temperature, that means maximum temperature of tower, is held at 50 degrees centigrade. The unreacted propylene is treated with caustic upper portion and then recycle, at which HCl is removed. The unreacted propylene is treated with caustic, that is above the packed tower. Okay, now the product stream then scrubbed with lime. 10% CaOH twice is there to remove chlorine impurity as CaCl2. As you see, CaCl2 impurity is there. After that, it first passes through the water stripper and then finally it is fractionated, from where polychlorides are removed from the bottom, whereas the product propylene oxide is taken from top. The basic steps of the process is, the first one is chlorohydrination, second one dehydrochlorination, and third one is purification. Okay. Major engineering problem of this process is corrosion, CaCl2 byproduct and chlorine gas. As you know, the chlorine is a corrosive gas, so there is a problem of chlorine gas because hypochlorous acid is produced. So there is a problem of corrosion and CaCl2 byproduct and chlorine gas.